Lot number 142 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American school bus for 72 passengers. The body is pretty good, but I'll show you where the damage is. The sides are good. Its paint is faded. I'm going to show you where the damage is. Where I saw the damage was on the roof. You can see right there, it's rippled. The good thing about this ripple effect, it did not affect the interior. The interior looks like nothing happened. But as you can see, halfway to the back of the bus, not all the way to the back, you'll see the damage. But if you don't look up, you don't see it. But I saw it. All right, the tires are fair. They consider this good in Miami, but this is fair. This is fair. Still has some thread, but it's good. It's fair. I'm not gonna say they're great, but they're fair. All right, the motor's good. The motor sounds really good. Been running for over 40 minutes. AC is not blowing cold. You can see the compressors are not engaged. Been running for over 40 minutes right there. Hasn't moved. The batteries are dead. We jump started it. It might have picked up a charge, it might have not. So, but don't take any chances. The body's good on this side. The windows look good. They're all tinted. They're all in place. I don't see any broken. All right, let me show you the inside. All right, the dash is good. It's automatic. It's got mildew all over the steering wheel. Got 97,000 original miles. The seats are good. The driver's seat is good. The passenger seats all have seat belts. There's 3 seat belts per bench for seating for 3 people. The AC, as you can see, it's not working. It's not blowing cold. I put that the housing is cracked. You can see it there. The plastic cover. But it's blowing really strong. Alright, so let me show you the other AC unit back here. It's blowing air, it's not cold. It's blowing air, it's a carrier. All the windows look good. The ceiling is good. Like I said, that ripple outside did not affect the inside. It looks really nice in here. Okay, the floor looks good. Floor mat. Alright, that's pretty much it. It's got the knobs. And let me rip it up for you. Motor sounds really good. Alrighty, well that's pretty much it. An all-American school bus. Good luck.